In the previous lecture we have learned about the mounting phase. Now updating phase of React lifecycle. Okay, updating is the process of changing state or props of a component, and update changes the node already in the DOM. Okay, update is the process of changing state or props of a component, and update changes to nodes already in the DOM. The next phase in the life cycle is when a component is updated. Okay, the next phase of the life cycle is updating. Okay, update. Okay, component is update. This is the phase. Okay, a component is updated whenever there is a change in the component's state or props. Okay, if there is any change in the component state or props, then the component is updated. Okay, React has 5 built-in method that gets called in order when a component is updated. GetDerivedStateFromProps method, shouldComponentUpdate method, render method, then getSnapshotBeforeUpdate. Okay, these are the. Then another one is componentDidUpdate. These are the 5 built-in method. Okay, we have already known about the getDerivedStateFromProps. Okay, then another one is render method. Okay, we have already known about these two. Okay, then these are the 5 built-in method. Okay, we learn about each in detail. Render method is required and always be used. Okay, then let's jump to the getDerivedStateFromProps. getDerivedStateFromProps. Also it updates the getDerivedStateFromProps method is called. This is the first method that is called when a component gets updated. Okay, we have already known about this. Okay, getDerivedStateFromProps is invoked right before the calling the render method. Okay, both in the initial and subsequent updates. Okay, it should return an object to update the state or null to update nothing. This method exists for rare use cases where the state depends on changing in props over the time. Okay, this method doesn't have access to the component instance as it's static method, so it is not available inside this method. Okay, this is still a natural palace to set the state object based on the initial props. Okay, syntax. This is the syntax of this getDerivedStateFromProps. Static dot get derive from props comma state. Okay, this contain 2 parameters, that is props and state. Okay, then this is the simple syntax of this getDerivedStateFromProps method. Okay, then next one method is shouldComponentUpdate. Okay, we'll do practical of static getDerivedStateFromProps in component shouldUpdate. Okay, in the shouldComponentUpdate method, you can return a boolean value that specifies whether a React should continue with the rendering or not. This value, the default value is true. Okay, component shouldUpdate method can return a boolean value. Okay, component shouldComponentUpdate method can be used to return a boolean value that specify whether the React should continue with the rendering or not. Okay, the default value is true. This is a rarely used. Okay, components shouldComponentUpdate method let React know if a component output is not affected by the current change in the state of props. It means should React re-render or it can skip rendering. Okay, shouldComponentUpdate is invoked before rendering when a new props or state are being received. Okay, render will not invoke if the shouldComponentUpdate returns false. Okay, if you return a shouldComponentUpdate returns false, then render method will not be invoked. Okay, syntax: shouldComponentUpdate next props next state. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, let's jump to the practical section so that we'll learn about the get derive state from props, okay, and should component update. Let's jump to the practical section. Go to your app.js, okay, app.js, okay, then remove all this part, okay, then first import, okay, first rcc, okay, so that it will create a component, okay, then if the component is created, okay, then constructor, create a constructor, okay, here, okay, that is constructor, okay, constructor, okay. After, if you create a constructor, okay, then call the parent, okay, that is super, okay. After super, okay, this after super, okay, first add a return, okay, dips, then db marks, okay, save this file, okay. Oh, sorry, first remove, first create a one file, okay, in the src folder that is named student.js, and student.js, okay, already exists, okay. I have already made this, okay. Go to your index.js file, okay, rcc, okay, student, okay. After that, okay, create a constructor here, okay, first constructor, okay, then this is a constructor, okay, then semicolon, okay, then super, and then in the div, okay, make marks, okay, marks, okay, self close, okay, save this file, okay, then add an handler, okay, here add an handler, okay, button, okay, change, okay, button change, okay, then unclick equal to, okay, then use the parenthesis, okay, curly braces, okay, then use this, okay, make this, okay, this state, okay, this dot state, okay, initialize the state, okay, will initialize your state, okay, that is what role undead, okay, that is the role, okay, then we'll use your event handler, okay, this dot click what click and click handler, okay, click handler, okay, then save this file, okay. If you create here this event handler, that is a click cl small, okay, click handler, okay. Then you must create here, okay. After this use here semicolon, okay. After this, okay, create the click handler, okay. Create click handler, make here arrow function, okay. This is the arrow function. Then curly braces, okay. console dot log, okay. Button click, okay. Control S, okay. Save this file, okay. Then this is the student.js file, okay. Then create another file in the src folder, that is what, marks.js, okay. Enter marks.js, okay. Then rcc, okay, marks. Then make the constructor, okay. Constructor, okay. Then parentheses, okay. Then curly braces, then call a super, okay. So then initialize this dot state, okay. This dot state, okay. This dot state equal to m rule this dot props dot role, okay. Save this file, okay. Then use here semicolon, okay. Then trace, okay. Then return div, okay, what, h1, okay. h1, oh, sorry, h1, okay. That is in the curly braces, okay. This dot state dot m role, okay. Save this file, okay. After saving this file, okay, go to your index.js, okay. f.js, then index.js. This file, okay. Then control S, okay. Save this file only. Marks.index.js, okay. Index.js, okay. Then what, here only remove this part, okay. Student, okay. Control S, okay. Student, then import what, student from student, okay. Control S, okay. This, okay. In the okay student.js, okay. Here import student.js, marks.js, okay. Student.js, okay. Here we import here what, import, okay, as marks from what, current directory marks, okay. Save this file, okay. Go to your browser, okay. Then student.js, okay. Save this file, okay. Create a getStatics method, okay, in the marks section, okay. Before the render, okay. Use here statics get derived state okay, state get derived from okay. This will contain this state props comma state okay. Add here what state static dot okay, static dot get props okay, then curly braces okay, okay, then console.log okay, parenthesis okay, then get the method called control S okay. Save this file okay, then go to your browser okay, then you will also get here error okay, then go to your student.js file okay, here we marks okay, here from marks here m is small okay, so make this m as m okay. Save this file okay, then if you go to your browser okay, then you will get here also error. Extend component okay, then constructor okay, pass props here okay, then also here yes okay, yes okay. Save this file okay. After that save this file okay, go to your, then you will also get error okay. Add another line here okay, this dot state okay, this dot state, then parentheses okay, then use semi here curly braces okay, then roll is to what 101 okay, then save this file okay. After that okay, go to your browser okay, get one error that is fragmentation okay, go to your student.js file okay, then use okay what this what okay, then add this part here okay, save this file okay. After that okay, if you go to your browser okay, you will also get the same error okay. Go to your marks.js okay, here we add here dot okay, this dot not okay, save this part okay, then go to your click handle okay, it's not defined, then student.js okay, that is handler okay, okay, then okay, see okay, student.js click handler is not defined okay. We must use here set state okay, S capital. For update purpose okay, we use set state okay, set state method okay, and go to your browser okay, here click handler okay, C must be small here okay, that must be written in camel case okay, C. okay. You make this, okay, here semicolon and add another one curly braces here, okay. Then go to your browser, okay. We have also get either here also, okay. Go to your student.js part, okay, then remove this part, okay. Otherwise this render method is not come within this, okay, class component, okay, this student component, so remove this part, okay. Control S, okay, save this file, okay, so that you will get here 100, okay. Go to your inspect page, okay, then console, okay. This is the 100 is the output, okay, here, okay. If you click here, okay, then you will get here button clicked, okay. This is the method of this, okay. Get this method, okay, the method, okay, this get derived state from props, okay. So okay, here is a spelling mistake of derived, okay. Then save this part, okay, then go to your browser, okay. If you click here, okay, then you will get this all this, okay, button clicked, okay. Then first we will call this get drive method, okay, then button click, okay. Hey, it will call continuously manner, okay. Let's use a conditional method here, okay. Then if pair of props dot roll not equal to state dot roll not equal to okay, mroll, okay, mroll, okay. Then what, return will return mroll, is to, okay, props dot roll, okay, use your parenthesis, okay, curly braces, Control S, okay. Save this file, okay. If this equal to this, okay, otherwise return null, okay. Return null, okay, and then save this part, okay. After that, okay, go to your browser, okay. Not defined. I have made mistake here, okay. Here must be state, okay, state dot mroll, okay. If props dot roll not equal to state dot mroll, okay, this props dot roll will be get from this student.js, okay, where roll is 100, okay. Then state dot roll is get from this state, okay. Save this part, okay. Control S, okay. Then go to your browser, okay. Then first this part, okay. If first we will get 100 output, okay. If we click on change, okay, then we will get here 101, then we will get here 2, okay. Button clicked and get derived method called, okay. Let's see the code, okay, so that I will explain this, okay. First we make parent component student in the student.js file and makes one child component in marks.js file, okay. For in the marks.js file, okay, we make a class that is a class component that is a marks, okay. Then we call a constructor, then we pass the parameter that is props, okay. And so this dot state, okay, we initialize here state, okay, that mroll equal to this dot props dot roll, okay. Then it will call the get drive state from props method, okay, which contain two arguments, that is props and state. Okay, then console.log, then we'll get a message. Okay, then if the props.roll, this prop.roll is, we'll get it from here. Okay, this is the role. Okay, is not equal to state.roll, then it will return this props.roll. Okay, amroll, it will return amroll, otherwise null. Okay, if it is equal, then there is no need to return. Okay, that is already there. Okay, then we'll get this result here. Okay, output that is this dot state dot amroll. Okay, in student.js file, okay, we import this. Okay, marks child component. Okay, then we create a student component. Okay, then a constructor, we create a constructor, then initialize our state, that is amroll, that is a state dot, this dot state equal to roll equal to 100. Okay, then if you then we provide this marks. Okay, so that it will it will display in the browser. Okay, if you click on the button, okay, then it will call the click handle event. Okay, this click handle event contain this console.log. Okay, which print button clicked. Okay, and this dot set state. Okay, set state method is used for updating purpose. Okay, then it will update the roll into 101. Okay, first there is a roll is 100, then after this click handle method. Okay, event. Okay, event handler, this event handler. Okay, then it will goes to 101. Okay, updates to 101. Okay, let's see in the example once again. Okay, suppose this is the initial stage. Okay, if you click here, okay, then you will get here button clicked. Okay, then after that, okay, you will call get derive method call. Okay, then this output is updated. Okay, this is all about the get derive method. Okay, get derive state method. Okay, let's jump to the another method. Okay, that is shouldComponentUpdate. Okay, let's see the practical of this method. Okay, we have already know about this. Okay, open your student.js file. Don't update anything in student.js. Okay, leave as it is, go to your marks.js. Okay, that is the child component. Okay, then we'll use, okay, after the null, okay, we'll use shouldComponentUpdate method. Okay, after this curly braces. Okay, above the render method we will call what, shouldComponentUpdate method. Okay, this will contain what, two arguments, next props command next state. Okay, after that, okay, curly braces. Okay, then if we use conditional statement here. Okay, this dot state dot amroll roll, okay, is less than 107. Okay, 107. Okay, then what, console.log shouldComponentUpdate, shouldComponentUpdate. Okay, give here semicolon. Okay, this is the method. Okay, shouldComponent method. Okay, and then after that, okay, then return true. Okay, return true. Okay, return true. Okay, otherwise, okay, console.log next props comma next state. Okay, first I will tell you something, okay, here, okay. I will make this. If this 100, okay, if we click on change, okay, this will call, okay, this button click, then get drive method called, okay. If you click again, okay, this will call again and again, okay, it will call this two, okay, button click, and it will call this get drive method, okay, into a unlimited manner, okay. So we use to control this method by using a shouldComponentUpdate, okay. Let's see. Go to your editor, okay, then write this code, okay. After that here update, okay, then this will return false, okay. Save this file, okay. Here we'll use what, console.log, okay. Next props, okay, we'll see here. Next props, comma, next, sorry, next state, okay, then give semicolon here, okay. Control save this file, okay, then go to your browser, okay. If you click here one time, okay, then first get drive method called, okay. After that, okay, shouldComponentUpdate, okay, then you will get here all the parameters, okay, whatever we provide in this, okay, this shouldComponentUpdate method, that is the next props or next state, okay. After consoling this part, okay, we will get that part, that the result, okay, that is this, okay, roll is 101, okay. Let's see, okay, this, okay. If you click once, okay, you will get here 101, okay, the output, okay, 101 is output, okay. After clicking, okay, then you will also get the 101 output, okay, in 2 times, okay. I have made some, okay, this is the method, okay, this is the shouldComponent method, okay. Let's jump to the another method, that is a render, okay. I'll show you about the render method, okay, by console.log, okay. This is the render method, okay. Save this file, okay, then go to your browser, okay. First you will get here 100, okay. First you get called this what, render get drive method called, okay, then render method, okay. If you click on this, okay, then first you call this get drive method called, okay, then after the clicking, okay, we get the shouldComponentUpdate method called, okay. After that we will call here render method, okay. This is all about the render method, okay. Let's go to the another method, that is a getSnapshotBeforeUpdate, okay. I have already told you about the render method, okay. Let's jump to the getSnapshotBeforeUpdate, okay. In the getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method, you have access to the props and state before the update, meaning that even after the update you can check what the value were before the update, okay. This method is right called before the virtual DOM is about to change, okay. If the virtual DOM is about to change, okay, then this method is called, which allows our component to capture the current value or some information from the DOM, okay, before it is a potentially changed. Before potential change, okay, it is helps to capture the current value or some information from the DOM, okay. If the getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method is present, you should also include the componentDidUpdate method, otherwise you will get an error, okay. We must use componentDidUpdate method to use getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method, okay. Otherwise you will get error, okay. This is the syntax, okay. This also contain two arguments, that is pre-props and pre-state, okay. Let's jump to the practical section so that you will get knowledge about this getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method, okay. First learn about the componentDidUpdate method, okay. Otherwise we can't use this getSnapshotBeforeUpdate method. Okay, so that first learn about componentDidUpdate method. Okay, the componentDidUpdate method is called after the component is updated in the DOM. Okay, if the component is updated in the DOM, then we will use this componentDidUpdate method. Okay, componentDidUpdate method is immediately after update occurs. Okay, this method is not called for the initial render. Okay, this method is not called for initial render. Okay, this method is used to re-trigger the third party libraries used to make sure these libraries also update and reload themselves. Okay, for this purpose, okay, we use componentDidUpdate method. Okay, componentDidUpdate method will not be invoked if the shouldComponentUpdate return false. Okay, if the shouldComponentUpdate return false, then we doesn't use this componentDidUpdate method. Okay, syntax of this componentDidUpdate, it contains three arguments, that is pre-props, pre-state, snapshot. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, let's jump to the practical section. Okay, go to your marks.js. Okay, then after this shouldComponentUpdate, okay, then use here first get what, get snapshotBeforeUpdate. Okay, this contains two arguments, that is pre-props and pre-state. Okay, pre-state. Okay, after that use curly braces. Okay, then what, console dot log. Okay, marks dot get shot before update called. Okay, this is the example of this get snapshot before what, before update. Okay, then we will use another console.log. Okay, console.log to see the what are the arguments. Okay, pre-props comma pre-state. Okay, so that we'll see whatever the arguments we are passed. Okay, after this, okay, we will use another method, that is componentDidUpdate. Okay, componentDidUpdate. Okay, this method. Okay, then we pass here three parameters. Okay, or three arguments, pre-props comma pre-state comma snapshot. Okay, snapshot. Okay, then curly braces. Okay, then we'll use here I'll copy this part. Okay, so that let's see. Okay, Control V, component DidUpdate called. Okay, preps. Okay, then snapshot. Okay, save this file. Okay, then go to your browser. Okay, first this method were called. Okay, because we doesn't use a event handler. Okay, if you use event handler by clicking this button. Okay, first button clicked. Okay, then we called getDerive method called. Okay, after that shouldComponentUpdate method called. Okay, where we see the parameters or arguments, then render method called. After that getSnapshotBeforeUpdate called. Okay, then these are the parameter. Okay, these are the component. Then after that, okay, componentDidUpdate method called. Okay, these method are called. Okay, these are the example, okay, of these two. Okay, we have already saw about getDerive method and should component update method. Okay, this is the example of getSnapshotBeforeUpdate and componentDidUpdate. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, first, okay, here we use this getSnapshotBeforeUpdate. Okay, it contains two arguments, that is pre-props and pre-state. Okay, then another method is componentDidUpdate. Okay, which takes three arguments, that is pre-props, pre-state and snapshot. Okay, this is all about the updating. Okay, updating phase. Okay, we have known all these 5 methods. Okay, in detail in this lecture. Okay, we'll learn about the mounting phase in next lecture. Thank you.